Hello friends. After designing a 3D model and exporting it into a suitable format like STL or OBJ, the model is still not ready to be printed. 3D printers cannot directly understand CAD models. They need special instruction that is layer by layer on how to build the object. This is where slicing comes into play. Slicing is the process of dividing a 3D model into many thin horizontal layers and converting it into printer readable code, usually G code. Today, our fifth lecture on regarding the model slicing. Myself, Dr. Debal Pramanik, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. The processing of geometric data for additive manufacturing mainly comprises two stages. First, slicing the geometric information into layers for contour generation, and second, generating process specific rastering pattern for each layer. There are a number of slicing methodology that are being used by various software. This can be basically classified into two general methods. First, uniform slicing, and second one is adaptive slicing. First, uniform slicing. The uniform slicing is a simple methodology and it generates layers of uniform layer thickness irrespective of the geometry by slicing the facet model. This slicing methodology is the most common method in use today. The major limitation associated with uniform slicing is the higher values of stair-stepping error and cusp error if the part is having an inclined geometry or curved geometry. But we can recover it in adaptive slicing. One of the limitations of uniform slicing is the layer values of scarf side when the geometry is inclined or curved. This can be reduced by slicing the model into thinner layers and this causes longer fabrication time. The adaptive slicing approach improves both the forming accuracy and the fabrication efficiency compared with the conventional constant thickness layer slicing method. So first of one is your original CAD data file, second is created in uniform slicing, and third one is created that is very much nearer to the original object, that is your adaptive slicing. So the forming accuracy is improved by reducing the stair stepping errors while the fabrication efficiency is improved by tailoring the additive manufacturing time based on the geometry requirement. In simple words, the layer thickness is selected as per the requirement of particular features. So these are the basic model slicing in 3D printing. Thank you.